Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nursing Prep. In this video, I am providing you important biology question of excretory product and their elimination for BSc Nursing entrance exam aims. This is part 2. Part 1 I have already provided you, link in the description box, and in the end of the video, I provide you some points which are very important. So let's start the video. The first question is, which is the most toxic nitrogenous waste? So major nitrogenous waste are urea, uric acid and ammonia. And ammonia is the most toxic nitrogenous waste, and uric acid is the least toxic nitrogenous waste and require minimum amount of water. So the correct answer is option C, ammonia. Next question. Which of the following is the least toxic nitrogenous waste? The correct answer is option B, uric acid. Next question. The animal which excrete ammonia as excretory product are called. The correct answer is option A, ammonotelic. And the excretory product of ureotelic animal is urea, and the excretory product of uricotenic animal is uric acid. Next question. Bony fishes, aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects are. The correct answer is option D, ammonotelic. This is important question. Next question. Birds, reptiles and land snails are. The correct answer is option B, uricotelic. This is also most important question. Next question is, which of the following are ureotelic? The correct answer is option B, mammals and chondrich thighs, and chondrich thighs are marine fishes. Next question. The excretory structure of aquatic arthropods crustacean is. The correct answer is option C, antennal glands or green glands, also called solenocytes. And flame cells are the excretory structure of platyhelminthes, and nephridia are the excretory structures of annelida, example earthworm, and malphizian tubules are the excretory structures of arthropoda. Next question. Flame cells are excretory organ of. The correct answer is option B, planaria. Planaria belongs to platyhelminthes. Next question. Kidneys are situated between. This is also most important question. The correct answer is option A, last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. T12 and L3. Next question. Mesonephric kidney is found in. The correct answer is option B, fishes. Next question. Metanephric kidney is found in. The correct answer is option D, all of these. इसको आप एक ट्रिक से लर्न कर सकते हो. ट्रिक है राम, RAM, राम. R means reptiles, A means aves and M means mammals. Next question. Columns of Vertini in the kidney are the extensions of. The correct answer is option B, cortex in medulla. Next question. Glomerules and Bowman capsule constitute. The correct answer is option C, renal corpuscles. And renal corpuscles also called Malphizian body. Next question. PCT is lined by. This is important question. The correct answer is option D, simple cuboidal brush border epithelium. Helps in maximum reabsorption and have microvilli. Next question. Bowman capsule is lined by. The correct answer is option B, simple squamous epithelium. Next question. In mammalian kidney, Bowman capsule or Malphizian corpuscles occur in. The correct answer is option A, cortex. Cortex have Bowman capsule, glomerulus, PCT and DCT, and the medulla have loop of Henle. Next question. Vasa recta are peritubular capillaries around. The correct answer is option B, loop of Henle. Next question. Identify the parts of kidney indicated as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. सो जो फर्स्ट है वो नेफ्रॉन है, एंड जो सेकंड है वो कॉर्टेक्स है, यानी कि आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द किडनी, एंड जो थर्ड है वो मेडुला है, इनर पार्ट ऑफ द किडनी, एंड फोर्थ इज पेल्विस एंड फिफ्थ इज यूरेटर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In human beings, the capsular urine entering the PCT is, so जो कैप्सुलर यूरिन होता है वो उसकी ऑस्मोलैरिटी 300 मिली ऑस्मोल होती है एंड ब्लड की ऑस्मोलैरिटी भी 300 मिली ऑस्मोल होती है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, आइसोटोनिक टू ब्लड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Presence of RBCs in urine. The correct answer is option D, hematuria. And presence of glucose in urine is glucosuria, and presence of ketone bodies in urine is ketonuria, and uremia is the accumulation of urea in blood. Next question. Ornithine cycle leads to the formation of. The correct answer is option B. This is most important question. एंड यूरिया जो है यूरिया लीवर में बनता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी क्योर्ड बाय द हीमोडायलिसिस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, यूरेमिया. JG cells release. JG cells means juxtamedullary cells. The correct answer is option A, renin. This is previous year question. Next question. Presence of which bodies in urine indicate diabetes mellitus. So the presence of glucose and ketones in urine indicates diabetes mellitus. So the correct answer is option D, both A and C. Next question. What are the 3 steps of urine formation? So there are the first step is glomerular filtration, second step is reabsorption, and third step is tubular secretion. So the correct answer is option C. This is important question. Next question. Diabetes insipidus is a condition in which a person is unable to produce sufficient level of hormone ADH. What is produced as a result? So as we all know that ADH prevent loss of water and produce concentrated urine. So अगर ADH का लेवल कम हो जाएगा so उससे large amount of dilute urine बनेगा. So the correct answer is option B, large volumes of dilute urine. Next question. Inflammation of glomeruli of kidney is. The correct answer is option B, glomerulonephritis. Next question. Counter current occur in. The correct answer is option A, vasa recta and Hanel's loop. Next question. Maximum urea present in. The correct answer is option B, hepatic vein. This is important question. And minimum urea present in renal vein. Next question. This is last question. This is also previous year question. Atrial natriuretic factor decreases. So the correct answer is blood pressure. And atrial natriuretic factor released by heart. So here is the important points. So first is afferent arteriole modified to JG cells. So जो afferent arteriole होता है वो modified हो जाता है JG cells में. And the second point is DCT cells are modified to macula densa. जो DCT cells होती हैं वो modified हो जाती हैं macula densa में. And third point is ADH act as collecting duct. जो ADH हार्मोन है वो collecting duct में काम करता है. And fourth point is aldosterone and ADH act at DCT. एल्डोस्टेरोन और ADH DCT पे काम करते हैं. This is the main difference between the collecting duct and the DCT. And fifth point is facultative and conditional reabsorption occur at DCT. So जो facultative and conditional reabsorption होता है वाटर का वो DCT में होता है. And maximum reabsorption of water at PCT. And renin convert angiotensinogen into angiotensinogen 1, and angiotensinogen synthesized in liver. So that's all for today. So guys, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any notification. So thank you.